So you say in your new book titled From Immigrant to Public Intellectual, An American Story. I don't know that you say it in that book, but it is your belief that a lot of the problems that we have in this country today are directly traceable back to 100 years ago with the founding of the Federal Reserve Bank.
There's no question about it. 1913 was one of the most important years in American history because at the beginning of the year, we got the 16th Amendment, which gave the federal government the authority to tax the American people's incomes. And they swore up and down, the proponents of the income tax, that only 2% of the population would pay it. 98% of the people would not have to pay an income tax. The first income tax form was 4 pages long, including the instructions. The current 1040 with instructions is well over 100 pages. So we had this monstrosity created in 1913, and it's just grown ever since. It's become a political football. And so between the Federal Reserve in December of 1913, the United States has been on a trajectory which we're now seeing the end result: $37 trillion of debt, a $7.25 trillion budget, $2 trillion deficits. The economy jerks back and forth between boom and bust because of the Federal Reserve manipulating interest rates. And so we don't have a free market in short term interest rates, which we desperately need in order to get the Fed out of the business of trying to micromanage the economy.